बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Today is very important topic that we are going to discuss with you, that is how to improve English speaking skill. In this video we will discuss 10 tips that will help you to improve your English speaking skills. I am your host Nazir Ahmad and you are watching me English with Nazir Ahmad YouTube channel. Improving English speaking skills require consistent practice and immersion in the language. Here are some tips to help you to improve your English speaking skills. Number one is practice regularly. Make speaking English a regular part of your daily routine. Practicing speaking with friends, family, or language partner. Number two is listening actively. Pay attention to how native speaker pronounce words, their intonation and rhythm. Listen to English podcast, music radio, and watch English movie, TV shows and videos. Number three, speak slowly and clearly. Focus on English speaking slowly and clearly, especially when you are learning. This can help improve pronunciation and fluency. Number four, expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and trying to use them in your conversations. Reading English books, newspaper, and article can help you build your vocabulary. Number five, use language learning apps. There are many apps available that can help you practice speaking English, such as Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Tandem. Number six, join conversations group. Joining English conversation groups or clubs can provide you with opportunities to practice speaking with others who are also learning the language. Number seven, record yourself. Reading yourself speaking English and listen to the recording to identify areas of improvement. This can help you to track your progress over time. Number eight, seek feedback. Ask for feedback from native speaker or language teachers. They can provide vocabulary insights and corrections to help you to improve your English speaking skills. Number 9, be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language involves trial and error. So be confident and keep practicing. Last but not least, immerse yourself. Surrounding yourself with English as such as possible. Change your phone, computer, and social media settings to English and try to think in English as you go about your day. Remember, improving your English speaking skill takes time and dedication. So be patient with yourself and keep practicing regularly. Thank you. If you have liked it, subscribe and share. Don't forget commenting. Allah Hafiz.